An INFP asked me a very important question I think a lot of us can resonate with. How can I make that mental click for mental growth? I have the tendency to just wait for it to happen. I find it hard to see the path and act on it. There's a lot of anxiety. So first of all, what's helped me with anxiety is knowing that it's a future-focused state. I'm worried about something happening in the future, so I can reorient myself to now and pay attention to what I can do, what I want to do, the magic question, what do I want? And focus on that and find new ways of using my extroverted intuition, specifically the explorer, to think of new possibilities, new ways of acting, new approaches to get what I want. But it helps to know what you want, right? Or you can get anything and you won't know if you got it or not, the thing that you wanted, because you don't know what it is. And also there are things that you can do to reduce anxiety regularly. One is simple enough, just tapping on the crown of your head like 20, 40 times in the morning. It kind of like reduces opens up the cap and lets steam come out, lets anxiety come out. Also 7-11 breathing, so breathing out for longer than your in-breath activates your parasympathetic nervous system. So in for a breath of 7 seconds and then out for 11. It's really helpful too. And so again, use that anxiety as a sign that you're worried about something happening in the future, probably something that's important to you. So find a way of realigning your actions so that you get more of what you want. And that also has this connection to what you said about, I have the tendency to just wait for it to happen. I find it hard to see the path and act on it. So if you know what you want, it's easier to act on it. But if you haven't clarified what's important to you, like what are your values, caring, creativity, grit, growth, family, those kind of things, it's quite difficult to know if something is in alignment with you and with the direction that you want to go. So use your values as like a lantern lighting the way, and you follow behind those values, taking actions that are going to get you to where you want. Also, so with the tendency to just wait for it to happen, I do that a lot too. And whenever I catch myself having done that, I always remind myself of Eben Pagan's quote or phrase or whatever. What is it called? Like a coined term, which is, my brain is skipping on me. Speed of implementation. So if you take action faster, you get feedback faster, you grow faster, you get more experience, you make more progress, as opposed to thinking more about it and trying to figure it out before you actually take the actions. And I know it sucks. I know it's a struggle for a lot of us INFPs and introverts in general to just be like, oh, I just need to act faster, right? But you can trust yourself that you have the resilience, that you have the capability, and you have the knowledge about who you are and life, that you can handle whatever comes up. And so the more quickly you act, the more real world feedback you get, which helps your extroverted intuition think of new actual possibilities and options as opposed to the ones that are just stuck in your head. As well as you could have felt kinesthetic ping of, does this feel right to me? Do I like this or not? And if you don't, then you know faster than if you waited and tried to figure things out before actually doing them. And then you can adjust from there. And that's all to say that don't wait. Take action now and use your values to reduce anxiety, because they show you what actions you probably should be taking. And it might be tough love, but like if you have social anxiety, maybe it's practicing socializing more. Maybe it's dealing with a part of yourself that is there trying to protect you from socializing, from fear of, survival or being outcast or something like that. But take it as a sign and then work towards achieving whatever the goal of that anxiety is. Hope it helped. Good luck, have fun.